Hey there, friend. I want you to take a moment and reflect on where you are in life right now. Maybe you're facing challenges, maybe you're at a crossroads, or perhaps everything seems a bit too overwhelming. I get it. We've all been there. Life, my friend, is like a series of unpredictable waves. Sometimes you're riding high, and other times you're struggling to stay afloat. But guess what? That's the beauty of it. The unpredictability, the uncertainty. I want you to imagine for a moment that life is a grand stage, and you're the lead actor. You've faced your fair share of plot twists, and guess what? You're still standing. Every setback, every heartbreak, every stumble, they are all part of your story. But here's the kicker. You have the power to write the script. You get to decide the tone, the narrative, and the ending. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. You are stronger than you think. In the quiet moments of self-doubt, remember this. You've survived 100% of your worst days so far. Now it's time to turn those survival skills into thriving skills. Don't just exist, live. Take risks, embrace change, and don't be afraid to rewrite your story. Your past does not define you, it prepares you. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. So, here's your call to action. Embrace your journey, flaws and all. Stand tall in the face of adversity, for it is through challenges that diamonds are formed. You have within you an untapped reservoir of strength and resilience. It's time to unlock it. As you step off this virtual stage and back into your life, remember this. Your story is not over. It's just getting started. The world is your audience, and you have the power to leave them in awe. Now go out there, embrace the spotlight, and show the world the incredible, unstoppable force that is you.